From powering your favorite games to driving artificial intelligence, one name dominates the chip world: Nvidia. But how did a company once known for its graphic cards become the mastermind behind the AI revolution? Buckle up as we uncover the rise of Nvidia. It all started in 1993 when three engineers, Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priem, founded Nvidia in a small office in California. Their vision? To create a powerful graphics processing unit, or GPU, that would revolutionize video games. Their first product flopped, but they didn't stop. In 1999, Nvidia launched the GeForce 256, the world's first GPU, a chip that could process complex 3D graphics in real time. The gaming world would never be the same. For years, Nvidia was the king of gaming. Titles like Call of Duty, GTA, and Fortnite all ran better with an Nvidia chip. But behind the scenes, something massive was brewing. Developers realized that the parallel processing power of GPUs made them perfect for more than just graphics. In fact, they were ideal for machine learning and AI. Nvidia leaned in hard. With their CUDA platform, they made it easier for researchers to use GPUs for AI. Suddenly, Nvidia chips were powering self-driving cars, ChatGPT, and even scientific breakthroughs. By 2020, Nvidia was no longer just a gaming company. It was the engine of AI. Its A100 and H100 GPUs became the gold standard for training large language models and neural networks. In 2022, they acquired ARM, a chip design giant, further expanding their dominance. Tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft needed raw AI power and they turned to one company, Nvidia. From cloud computing to LLMs like ChatGPT, Nvidia's GPU were now the beating heart of the modern internet, inside every AI superpower from the US to China. But success brings competition. AMD, Intel, Apple, and even Google began building custom AI chips. Countries saw chips as national assets, triggering a global chip war. But still, Nvidia stayed ahead. How? It didn't just sell chips, it built an ecosystem: CUDA, TensorRT, Omniverse. It partnered with giants like Tesla, Meta, and OpenAI, and it never stopped innovating, with breakthroughs in AI robotics, healthcare, and climate simulation. In the world of chips, Nvidia wasn't just surviving, it was winning. And of course, there's Jensen Huang, the leather jacket wearing CEO, who was the mastermind behind Nvidia and who saw the future of AI long before the world caught on. From pixelated games to powering the future of humanity, Nvidia has done it all. Not just a chip company, a visionary empire at the heart of tomorrow. So guys, that was for today's video. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more tech stories and let us know in the comments, is Nvidia unstoppable?